WordPress themes, right? So this video is going to be about WordPress themes. What are WordPress themes? Themes are actually very important for people that don't know how to uh, uh, people that don't know how to code, right? You can, with the help of themes, you can build any website. So these are more like customized templates, right? These are more like customized templates by professionals that you can just edit and insert one or two about your website. You can download a complete theme that gives you everything about the website. It comes with content, it comes with pages, it comes with plugins. You can install it and you have a full website. For instance, this our website is not really appealing, it's not beautiful, it's looking like Wikipedia. You can see these are different things we have here. Now, let me go back to our pages. Let me delete all the pages and the content on the website. Let's first delete everything, even post, let's delete everything. Plugins, let's delete everything so that we can free our website and it will be very easy and very friendly. Now, let's delete everything here. I'm going to mark everything here and trash them. Delete. Let's delete. So let's delete everything here under post. Let's delete bulk delete, move to trash, apply. On pages, click on everything here. Let me leave this one, but let me hide it. Let me unpublish it. All right, let me update. Let me go back to post and ensure, yeah, I've deleted all the posts, trying to free our site. Now let me click on these ones and move to trash. I will apply. Then I'll go back to this one and click on trash here. I'll click on trash and empty the trash so that I'll delete everything completely from the website. Like, let me empty trash. Back here, click on trash, empty trash. So that will free the website completely. Empty trash. So our website is as empty as anything right now. Let's go to the front end. Let's refresh and see what happens. Let's refresh. The website is as empty as anything, right? These are more of the default ones because we already have a default theme here. So now let's go back to our theme. Let's go to under appearance, you see themes. So I'll click on themes. So the themes now is going to help us to give good shape, good appearance, and good look to our website. You can see this is the default plugin 2025, and that's why you can see what we have here. You can see all of this here, right? So now let's try to change it and make our website more beautiful, right? So now I'm going to click on add new theme, either at the top or at the bottom here. So adding new theme, you can upload themes yourself, you can upload themes yourself, or you can select from the default pins here. So there are over 7,215 themes here. So I'm going to select the theme I want. I majorly use Astra, right? I majorly use Astra. So there are other ones. You can explore more and go ahead with anyone you are okay with. But I'm going to use uh, Astra. Astra is what I'm going to use here. So I'll click on install, or you can preview it and see how it looks or whatever it is that you need to know about it before you can install it. So now that I have Astra, let me click on activate. So now let me activate and go to our website and refresh and see what happens. Now let's refresh our main website and see if anything is going to change. Can you see the post is no longer available? Let me refresh. You can see this is looking better. This is better than what we had initially. You can see Astra WordPress theme powered by copyright at 2025 practice powered by Astra. Practice is our website, then remember, by Astra website. So you can see nothing is here, right? So let's go back and do one or two editing. Let's click on customize and see how we can make our website more beautiful. Now, on customizing, you can see the active theme here is what? Astra. So you can see there is Astra Pro, but what we are using currently is free. On the global, if I click on global, I'll be able to customize the heading, the whatever content I want to use for my website, I can customize everything here manually. Can you see I can customize everything? So you have all the typography of your website, you can customize it. You have the color of your website, you can select the color of your website here, right? You can select the color of your website like the accent color, the links color, the heading color, the body text, the body order, that's like the borders color, site background, content background, right? Now, if I select site background, I can decide to maybe pick an image. I can pick an image or use a color. So if I want to pick an image now, I can maybe go to my select background, click on this select background, select if I'm selecting background, just go back down. Why is this not coming down? What's the problem? What's happening? Okay, I can let me unzoom it. So let me click on this. So I zoomed it before they were actually displaying. So I'm going to, if I select this now and I save it, you see the overall website background has been changed. Can you see? That's the background of the website. So whatever we're doing on the website is going to be appearing on the website, right? So if I want to maybe do more, let me just click on this. I'll go down. But then I'll remove this because I don't want to do anything of such. So you can do any settings and click on publish. Until you click publish, it's not going to display or it's not going to save. So on the container here, I can select a container and I can select one or two about the container, right? Now the container now you can see this how the layout is going to be on the website. But if I select this, this is how narrowed it's going to be. If I select this, this is how it's going to what? Full the website. It's going to like full width, right? I can once I do any of this, I can just click on save, right? I can just click on save. Can just click on save. But if you don't save, remember your work is not going to save. So on your buttons, you can also select the kind of buttons you want to use, either this shape or any of these, the button color, the text color, and so on. You can click on any of these and edit your website. So all of these, scroll to the top, desktop, mobile, and so on. You can scroll your website and so on. So this is that. Then on your header builder, on the header builder, you can select the title of your website. If I click select this now, you can see this way is displaying. And what do I have there? If I edit it, you can see what do I have under this site and logo, site title and logo, then primary menu, right? Now, what do I have there? Let's go back to our website and see. It's not displaying because I'm not added any, right? Let me go back. Then primary menu, it means we are going to have title and logo at the left hand side, and we are going to have the primary menu to the left hand side. I can decide to rearrange them or add them more. I can decide to make this to the center or any I want it, but you're going to see this more once everything displays, right? Now let me select site title logo. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So if I'm using this as my site logo, can you see this is what's going to display, and this is going to display to the left hand side. So I can increase or reduce it here. Can you see? I can increase or reduce it here, right? That's that. So the title name now can be practice, or I can erase it. If I erase it, can you see nothing is displaying at the top? But if I add it, practice, if I add practice, it's going to display because the the widget here is showing what? Site title and logo. Then to the right hand side there is menu. So I can go down and select okay, you can see my tagline there. My tagline is here and so on. Site icon, I already added site icon initially when we are editing from what? Settings, and you can see it's showing here. So you can either do it from settings or you do it from here. So that's that about site identity. we are doing this under header and builder, right? That's where this came from. Then primary menu. Under this primary menu now, I can select what I want to. You can see sub menu. I can just do settings about my menu. I can either configure menu here or I can do it from the dashboard. If I click on menu here, it means I'm going to create menu. Now on this menu, I can create new menu. I can make it the primary menu. I can make it primary menu. Okay, I can make it home. Can make it home. Then select it as my primary menu. Then I'll come to the bottom here. I'll click on next. Then you can see we have added a menu, right? Now let's add items. Add time to add some links, click items to start putting pages. Now if I click on item, I can click on this as my okay. All right, I think I did something. Let me see. Let's go back. Let's go back and save and see what happens. Think we have not created anything. So let's just ignore menu for now. Let's just explore how we can use. It has even added. I saw home at the right hand side there, but since we've not saved, it's not showing. So we'll still explore more. Then on the blog, you can do more about your blog here, or you can just ignore it on your pages. You can check more about page, single page, and so on. You can see the layout, the format of your page. You can select it here. Then back its sidebar. This sidebar, you can see how you customize your sidebar to the right hand side or to the left hand side. You can see you select anyone you want, or you can leave the default if you don't know how to use them. Then the footer builder. This footer, you can see we have copyright, which is this. So if I click on this copyright now, you can see the content of the builder of this, right? Copyright at 2025 practice. Then I can erase this powered by. I can erase it and it will only display site title. Can you see? So it doesn't display the theme. So this is where you do it. And I will click on save. Now our website is no longer going to show this powered by anymore. It's only going to show copyright calendar 2025 practice, right? So let's refresh and see what happens. Can you see? Copyright at 2025 practice. So our website is actually getting a shape gradually. It's getting a shape gradually. So if you check both on your mobile or your uh, uh, what's it called? Uh, what's this device called? I've actually forgotten. You can click on either your mobile or your desktop or your other device. I'm trying to recall a device that I'm trying to recall, but I've forgotten the name. It was actually uh, iPad. Yes, iPad. On your iPad, you can see. So you can go back, right? You can go back and check other ones here. We have site identity, which already works on it. We have widget. This is widget. Under widget, you can see your team has 8 widget areas, right? 8 widget areas, right? So that is that about teams. But then we are going to be exploring more about the team. We're going to be seeing how we can install some templates under these teams so that we can build our website more to have a better appearance and more functionality. So next is going to be how we can use teams and so on to build our website. But then I believe that is going to be the video is going to be building our first website, which is going to be involving everything we have covered initially and to get a good shape on our website.